guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to measure in Adobe Acrobat. So first head over and launch Adobe Acrobat and start by opening your file. So here we have this mini rectangle and our goal for today is to get the measurements of this shape. So in the search bar, click on it. We're just going to search for measure. Just type in measure and the measuring tool will then pop up. Click on it. Now this tool includes different snap types and measuring types that you can use for measuring. Just choose your snap type or measuring type. And here you can just click and drag it like a ruler to the shape or object you're trying to measure. You can also drag it. And just by that, we have now an overview of the height and width of the shape. You can use this tool not only on this shape, but on any object that you would like to measure. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!